are now preparing the cabin for landing. Rest the duration seat back and table to the upright position and ensure that the window shades are open. Seatbelts fastened and safety board card in your seat pocket is with you. USB ports must be disconnected from the seat charging port and device holder stowed. Cabin baggage must be placed either on the lykkespil og tage en kigge i safety bordkortet, som ligger i stolommen foran dig. Og USB-kablet skal bare komme til en opladningsport og holderen til mobilen er klappet sammen. Håndbagagen skal placeres under stuen foran eller bagagehylden. Tunge ejendele af vareværende kilder, f.eks. computer, skal placeres i håndbagagen. We will soon be landing in Copenhagen. If you're continuing on a connecting flight and have baggage checked through to a final destination, we'll ensure that your baggage is sent out directly.
Please take your seats.
Welcome to Copenhagen. For safety reasons, please keep your seatbelts fastened, keep seat back and table upright. Large electronic devices stowed and escape doors free from cabin baggage until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. You are now welcome to deactivate flight mode on your mobile device. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment as cabin baggage may fall out. Before leaving us, ensure that you do not leave any belongings behind. When disembarking, be aware of the difference in level between the aircraft and the jet bridge or stairs. Smoking is only permitted in designated smoking areas. We hope that you have enjoyed this flight with SAS Star Alliance. Until next time, and from all of us at SAS, thank you. We look forward to seeing you aboard again soon. Velkommen til København. Af sikkerhedsmæssige hensyn bedes du beholde sikkerhedsbæltet fastspændt, holde stolrykkerbåd, lodret position, store elektroniske enheder pakket væk, samt flugtvej fri for håndbagage, indtil skiltet med sikkerhedsbæltet er slukket. Du er nu velkommen til at deaktivere flytilstedet på bilenheden. Vær forsigtig, når du åbner bagageøen, så bagagen ikke falder ud. Inden du forlader flyet, kontroller venligst, at du ikke har flyet personlig ejendel ombord. På vej ud af flyet skal du være opmærksom på niveauforskel mellem flyderbroen og trappen. Rygning er først tilladt i et afmærket rygeområde. Vi håber, du har haft en behagelig flyvning med os i SAS og Star Alliance. Indtil næste gang siger vi tak for os i SAS. Vi glæder os snart til at se dig ombord igen.
Ladies and gentlemen, you need to remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is completely stopped. Please don't stand up or don't change your seat when the aircraft is moving. Thank you.
Gå inn og parkere. Vennligst bli sittende med setebeltet festet enn så lenge, takk. Hello from the cockpit, the captain. Our stand is currently occupied. We are waiting for another aircraft to start their pushback. Hopefully not too long before we can keep on taxiing. Please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened for now, thank you.